We're out here on an after-hour call. These two idiots on their boat, and we're gonna do a little tech tip on some spark plugs. So, as you can see, this spark plug is very, very dark, which means it's fouled, whereas this spark plug is a little bit lighter, and it is not fouled. And here's another one, as my apprentice is working on the boat. This one, see, that's normal looking wear, whereas that one is fouled. The reason it's fouled is because you look at this coil wire, and it's very rusted, and it is broken inside there. These two guys on their boat, they can go out and have a good time, and turns out it's just a broken coil wire.